This one's just so cool. So this is Pure Instinct. It is a pheromone roll-on perfume. It smells so good. So you just roll it on. You can put it on your wrists. You can put it on your neck, behind your ears, wherever you want. And it smells really good. It's very floral, super floral. And pheromones are basically a science that's supposed to help attract people to you. So I wear this not because I'm trying to get attention. I'm happily married, but I wear it for myself because it just boosts confidence. It makes you feel good, makes you happy. And I'm all about anything that makes you happy. So this is a unisex perfume. Men and women can wear it. And again, it's infused with pheromones, which are said to help attract people to you, but really wear it because you want to wear it, right? Don't wear it for someone else. And I've had this for so long and I've used like none of it. So it lasts a really, really long time as well. If you've never tried Pheromone Perfume, now might be a great time. It's a great smelling perfume oil. And I love that it has that added benefit of pheromones.